Looking forward, I know you said it takes a while for it to shake out, but how do presidential election years shape the housing market and mortgage rates going forward? Like, is it a 3 month, 6 month kind of period after kind of the world gets used to it? Because I know we saw the markets really explode yesterday with a $1,500 or 1,500 point surge. And, I saw that and I'm like, do I even look at the 10-year? Because usually it goes up too, and it did. So how long will it take in your history and your experience before it starts settling down and really, so if I do take advantage of using a temporary buy down, is it 3 months, 6 months, a year before I can say, hey, I can move now into a fixed rate, possibly?
Yeah, I think so. It's going to take many months because again, and yesterday was a very good example. It's kind of mixed signals, right? Trump wins, stock market explodes up 1,500 points, but yet the bond market thinks that was bad news that Trump won. The bond yields jump up. Well, what were those signals? Well, the 1,500 on the stock market side was great. Here's a pro-growth president coming into office again, and we know from past experience the economy was pretty good back then. Prices were low. So here we go for round two. So the stock market thought it was great news. We're going to have now a better growing economy. Inflation's going to get more under control because of who's coming in, because we have past experience from 4 years ago where we saw that. The bond market, on the other hand, is going, wait a minute. Yeah, maybe a growth economy when he comes back in, but there could be more deficits because of his tax policy. And so as a consequence, that means we're going to have to sell more treasury bonds to finance that deficit spending or that deficit outcome from low tax revenue. And so therefore that could be bad news. So the point of it is that with this presidential election, it's going to take several months because first of all, we're still waiting to see are the Republicans going to control the House of Representatives